Kom.
Så jag sticker.
Ja, det var så. Nej, men så snällt.
Visa lite.
Hello, welcome to another vlog. It's actually 1 o'clock. I'm going outside again to pick up a burger because I want a burger today. I'm really sleepy. I just finished editing yesterday's video, or the vlog that I filmed yesterday, and I've been watching Walking Dead and just chilling. I'm really sleepy. I'm not doing anything today. It's Saturday, so I'm just chilling. I don't know how long this vlog will be, maybe a little bit shorter. So I'm gonna take Tina with me. Me and Dad are walking, so we get our steps in. I have 4,493 steps so far. So yeah, we'll go outside. Every time we go outside, Tina always thinks that we're gonna play fetch. Look at this sadness. There's no snow, but it's actually gonna snow later tonight. And next week, we're gonna get a lot of snow. Next, I think it starts on Thursday. It's gonna snow a lot. It's gonna stay. It says in the weather thingy. So I hope, I'm feeling very hopeful. 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 I'm feeling hyply. Here you can buy Christmas trees, real ones. There's a lot of them, but I have a fake one, a white one. What I found a fossil that is 300 million years old. It's a fossil from a bird. It's a footprint from a bird, and it's 300 million years old. Nini's is awake. I don't know why she's awake now. She usually wakes a little bit later, but she's eating some salad. I think she's been awake for a little while, like eating hay and stuff. Where are you going?
Arbete. Hej Tina. Hej Michelle.
Tina.
Hej Tina. Hej Tina. Hej Michelle. Hej Tina.
Nini. Tina doesn't like Nini's chewing sound or drinking sound, so she's like, But it's so cute how Nini's, she loves Tina so much. Like, she likes to be close to her. She likes to sniff her. She likes to look at her. And Tina is a little bit scared of Nini's, especially when she stomps or runs. Tina's terrified. I didn't force Tina to lay down here. I just said lay down, and she did lay down. And if she doesn't want to lay down, she refuses. What's wrong with the focus lately? The hamburger was good. I have my Christmas socks on. I'm just doing nothing now. Just chilling. I should post my other video. I haven't done that yet, so I should go do that. She has a salad in her beard. Tina. They were so cute together. You need to cut your nails soon. Oh. And she's showering. Okay, I'll fix my video. Or post my video.
You are your people.
Sorry, I haven't been vlogging. I've been watching The Walking Dead. I'm like binge watching it. And now I'm going out with Tina because it's 8 o'clock at night. Yes, I haven't been vlogging for that long. Here's little Tina. She's going outside. And then I'm gonna put on like a face mask and get in to the shower. As you can see, I'm very sleepy. Anyways, going outside. So annoying that like all the snow is gone. Oh, look at the glitter. Pretty. It's gonna snow later, and next weekend the snow is gonna stay on the ground. It says, at least. Let's hope, because I love snow, and I think winter without snow is extremely depressing. Oh god, it's very dark. You can't even fucking see her. She's laying there. What the hell? The camera is so bad. I just put on some water to boil. Tina got some food and Nini's. I put some... She made a mess again, of course. I put some lettuce in that and she already got it all out. Oh, Nini's. Hey. I'm gonna drink some tea. I was thinking maybe doing like a vlog week or something soon. I don't know, you guys let me know. Do you guys like vlogs? Like, should I do more vlogs? Should I do more often? Like, the thing is, I'm in a good, like, I don't know how you say that. I'm in a... How the fuck do you say that? I'm having a good run with vlogs right now. Is that what you say? You probably don't know what I mean anyways. Like at this moment, I'm thinking I could film a lot of vlogs. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Tell me down below. I'm gonna drink some tea now. I'm gonna jump into the shower. When I'm out of the shower, I'm gonna show you a little bit of my skincare routine. Then I'm gonna end the vlog. I don't know how long this is, but very slow today. It's Saturday, so I don't really do anything on Saturdays. Tomorrow it's Sunday. I don't do any YouTube work on Sundays, but I'm thinking maybe I could move my Sunday to next week instead. I don't mean next Sunday. I mean like maybe my Sunday is on Monday instead. You know what I mean? If I do some work tomorrow. And yeah, if you guys have any questions for me, you can answer them down below for like vlog questions. You can say question for the vlog or question of the day kind of thing, and then you answer, or then you ask the question. So I could answer a question in every single vlog. Yeah. People who drink tea without honey freak me out. Also, the neighbors came with these. Neighbors next door. There were 4. I ate 2, and the other 2 is from my dad. They're really sweet. And I'm gonna drink some chamomile tea in my little Christmas mug. Hello, I'm out of the shower. Now I'm just gonna put this Granactive Retinoid 2% emulsion just on my skin. I washed my face with lip balm. I washed it with this, and then another CeraVe cleanser. So I washed it twice because I have sunscreen on my face. And I had a face mask, which is this one. It's from a brand called Indie Beauty. It's a clear skin mud boost. Why do I feel like I'm recording a video for the first time ever? Do you know what I'm like? Can you tell what's wrong with me? Clear skin mud boosting facial mask. Like I feel like I'm talking to someone for the first time. What the fuck? And then since it is winter, to be honest, I don't get drier skin in the winter. I don't know why people... Never mind. I just don't really get dry skin. Of course, I can get dry skin easier, but I don't get drier skin. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna use an oil. I'm gonna use an oil in my moisturizer, and I'm using this one. It's called HTH Skin Repair Intensive. Do you say that in a different way? Whatever, you only need like a little bit of this, but I do like to pile it on because it's difficult to mix it into the skin. It's for very dry skin. It's vegan too, so it's really good for like the skin barrier. You know, if your skin barrier is like I don't know the word for it, like hurt. If your skin barrier needs to be repaired, basically, it's really good for that. So I have organic cold pressed, 100% organic cold pressed rosehip seed oil from The Ordinary, which is just rose oil, which I blend into my, I was gonna say foundation, moisturizer. I love the rosehip oil. One thing that I noticed when I was young, I used to have really oily skin, and now I don't anymore. And guess why? Not because I'm older now and I'm out of like my teenage years. Not at all because of that. Because I stopped having oily skin, or started having it when I was a child, and I mean like 8, 9, 10. I got into puberty when I was like 8, 9. So I started getting really oily skin, and then I didn't take care of my skin properly. And you know what helped me getting rid of my oily skin? Oil. I am 100% serious. The thing is, if you strip away a lot of oil, if you strip away oil from your skin is gonna be like, what the fuck? There's no oil. So it's just gonna produce more and more and more and more and more oil. So you're kind of dry and oily at the same time. It's just horrible. So maybe try that if that's something you're struggling with. And of course, it might not help for everyone, but that's usually the main issue. I do like to take a little bit extra in the creases. So yeah, rosehip seed oil. I really like the rosehip oil. Also, eye creams are a joke. You don't need eye creams. Anyone who says you need eye creams is a fucking stupid. No, you don't. Eye cream is literally thick moisturizer. Just use your moisturizer. I guess unless, I mean, of course you can get it if you want to, if you have money for it, but if you don't, then don't. But unless you have unless there's like a specific ingredient in the eye cream, then I get it, but like, just use your fucking moisturizer. I just moved you a little bit. I have this one that I got or in my advent calendar some days ago, and it is Dove Nourishing Body Care Body Cream 24-hour moisturization for hand and body. It's thick. So I just put that all over my body. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, and I will see you in my next video. Maybe that'll be tomorrow. I don't know. For you, that would be Monday then, or Sunday. I don't know yet. I might wait with this video just because I don't work on Sundays, but just because I'm in a good flow. That's what I wanted to say before. Flow, I think. Just because I'm in a good flow, I kind of want to keep that going until I get out of it. So I don't know if I should work tomorrow instead, and then have the Sunday another day next week. My Sundays, basically, for those of you who don't understand, my Sundays are my rest days, or like my self-care days, my calm days. I don't do anything really, like just for my mind. Which is something that I really need. And like, I usually wash my hair on Sundays. I think it's time for that. I think it's time for that tomorrow. Anyways, I will go. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, hit the like button. And I think I already said that, didn't I? Anyways, I'll go sleep. Goodbye. Have a good night or morning or evening whenever you watch this. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you, bye.